There have been some disappointing rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, particularly about its chipset. Initially, it was said that the phone might use two different chips, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the less impressive Exynos 2400. This was surprising because Samsung's foldable phones usually don't have different chips. However, a reliable source now brings some good news. It looks like every Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This means the powerful Snapdragon chip won't be just for North America, like with the Samsung Galaxy S24. Samsung will use this chipset in other regions too. They made this decision to avoid problems seen with the Exynos 2400, like faster battery drain and issues with cellular connectivity. Although the Exynos chip has done well in benchmark tests, the Snapdragon chip is better for graphics performance. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, users can expect great performance and efficiency from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This decision also ensures that users worldwide will have a consistent experience, eliminating any regional differences. Since fewer sources are mentioning Exynos, it seems likely that only the Snapdragon chip will be used in the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This makes sense because Samsung usually uses Snapdragon chips in their Z Flip models. Additionally, Samsung significantly improved the cover screen in the Galaxy Z Flip 5, upgrading it to a 3.4-inch display from the smaller 1.9-inch screens of the Z Flip 4 and Z Flip 3. A leak from the Glocks says the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have an even larger 3.9-inch outer screen with Gorilla Glass armor protection. Samsung is also expected to upgrade the main screen to 6.7 inches and improve the hinge, internal layout, and cooling system. The Flip 6 will reportedly come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and up to 12 GB of RAM, the first time Samsung offers more than 8 GB of RAM in the Flip series. As always with leaks and rumors, it's best to be cautious until Samsung confirms the details at the next Galaxy Unpacked event, expected in early July. Along with the new Flip 6, Samsung is also expected to reveal the Galaxy Fold 6 and their first smart ring, the Galaxy Ring. Stay tuned for more updates on our channel. See you next time. Take care and peace out. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.